Did you know your cover letter can tell the story behind your numbers? It's not just about listing achievements, it's about showcasing your personality and working style. Let's explore how to make yours stand out. In 2026, digital fluency and stakeholder engagement are crucial. A cover letter can highlight these skills, positioning you as a confident candidate. Let's discover how to effectively communicate these attributes. Start strong by stating the position and your professional background. This sets the stage for your application and grabs attention. Highlight your core strengths and what draws you to the company. See examples of effective introductions for various seniority levels. Whether you're a graduate or a senior professional, tailoring your introduction can make a significant impact. Learn how to effectively showcase your achievements. Use quantifiable results to prove your worth and align your experience with the company's goals. Describe your role in cost management, contract administration, value engineering, or procurement. Highlight a result like cost savings, client satisfaction, or successful handover. End your cover letter by reiterating your interest in the role, aligning yourself with the company's values or mission, and expressing your willingness to discuss the opportunity further. By concluding with confidence, you reinforce your enthusiasm and readiness to contribute. Check CV Maker now and let's make your cover letter unforgettable.